Accra.
Oh, okay. Me assure sir, if last week I have been idea. In fact, a sanka muchato was sanka Ghana football and kabeti mi akona nimi and smell PPM me assure sir ora ho papa.
I will host him. A new war. Now you're Ghana Fra. It's in for baby. One say, I put you on secretary by chance for her. Ghana football. You ever started a next in a big kind. Settle beer, what you could see in the carriage with Biaro. Men don't come with I will go for it. Never be a journey. And yet in grass system. In grass system, papa. I'm a Ghana. A big Caesar. Yes, a big Caesar. Yet, I can say, no, ha, must say, yet, CSA, F4 say, Oma Safety Committee, say, you invited us go for. What's that? Legal airborne. Teams are airborne. About 1/3 of the teams, you know, and you have to put it there.
Anne.
Yes. It's the head of the committee. Well, team, I will what does the committee? It's I'm saying, Mr. President, if the minister not buy a football, Mr. Minka with this car, the means with this car, one main kind. No, the main can say, Kakra, why you know? No, who said, want me near a man. And the president, one more minute and trenching. The second of football year, and a fit, Mr. Jesse Way, your moment and touch interdiction. We are independent people. No more investigating cases are air custom. One who saw Waba, one who near you, Yao, your uncle court, your to prison. Because, you see, we will lose people's lives. Well, I said last time, we're free now, you're coming over. But then, so you're your own practice. I don't want them to be. No who said the life, the palo, the pop. Nanko for dilechi, the ma, dilechi. Police in the hall, security in the hall. You're born at the Duke Hospital. Yanchi Opia. There's the next time we people that made me where they are. We will secret the home. When you will, what I could just okay rough. What is the way? Who are you? I know we have, but we will give you a few, but we will be that Sunday will come to stadium. Do you think they'll be happy? They'll tell you, say, that, say, a better they can buy it, because what security of you. These are some of the things that we have to see. It's a disgrace to Ghana football. You should bow your head down in shame. Keep the failure. It's as simple as that.
Well, young first of one of my nana.
The first one where everything.
I didn't, yeah.
Mother, my member from the Obian chat here. So, I may say, oh, but who mammy moved me so few. No, only papa. Usaria, the moko. What I say, a paraloco kuma, the buffet, time your pay. When you know homework in Noma. Do things are for a bit of do I homework.
Dabby.
Yes. There's no better catch. Hey, about 2 o'clock or so. About 3 o'clock or so for what the training now. Discipline. There's a rule in the house. Papa and Mamma, Munamoya into the pool, you own the place. So discipline, one woman, they will go to be a. Now I say no. But a bull pack, a bull free. Who packer, or big boat, you packer, and you're free. Your bull players, you know, and you're free, your bull of people, and you're free. So get a hook pot. If anybody can do that, you're 130 crore. Or the papers, you say, one will 2 now when you pay the or fire your man a car free, people free. We deal free or side pay them. Or calling us so put or need to put a super so that the yima. He was only looking for money. o ko to ni dey see e o no ko kata ye no we no kata the ba say why say go face ye ball player say matiti e tuma piti match no adan no no abashi ni eja no asa dan no abashi eja say ya friend say won ba di say asa the whole day no e kana me betray me Mentiasie. The FA people from FA, Ketokokuni and Kofinano, they have to sit outside. Sit down. And let the government, Minister Lukaho, let the government set up a complete committee, fact-finding committee, to see how well they make football diploma, because these people, they have failed.
Nana Radia Asma Wokan, Obakasa Wunu Yakuma Mickey Charles, Adreno home, Yanemi Charles Kasa and Chani Afroway, or no so make the same statement to say, one young football judicial system nini, into a buyer buying fan hunim, and I said, ya bought a crown pluma obaye, the same thing I also order about to swore.
And the so there, no criminal come. Me, I don't hate anybody. In town, your football, but a Saturdays and Sundays. Obo fia hano ya no me agitike we nam ha obia ba obia efripama de 3 years ko si ya de ko de de ba no o mi obia no bakso ni mi fie obia no bakso ma hada. Yes, I don't hate anybody, but I'm for total justice. You have failed the nation. Please sit down. And let's build the football. Minister, Obayano, Binkatu Diska, Obiankatu Diska, but on Fisher, Timmy and Jumano. The look for them. Why you demo Ghana football? You will my the football cost. Also, cost me 25 billion. What's my small way? That woman say, one cost 25 billion. Minister, call say F4C. Open some of the brass stars of the day. Something.
I
Assemble here, start saying, career canon. Every for man can't your minister say, Walker. At your minister, could you come to Ghana? Every 40 hours, small sepulchre, no so cry. In the set of one, I cannot quit. It's a matter of minister, no, for Ambantem. Won't me, Yejuma, to Koku, a 5 years in a demana. One share the be as the civil war. The Baba Kuma.
Hey, Nana,
I tell you, the
real civil one of my machine.
Oh, yes, there's someone but some plan. Let's not go there. I'll see you for just a year. I had 2 tribes. Mother, look at it, put me up with that. As a many who catch Caesar, he was Nijan, who, a year, friends, the women have been home. Come on, me chairman, or Stones, me chairman, the Beneza, or white. Now, there is a call with Olympus. That's a Badio, a heart, that the measure of white. Then that you know, the Escabinian Mecanum, and these are Nimisha, these are people that we are playing with, and no football. But what is happening is too dangerous. Very, very dangerous for this country. I'm telling you the truth. I don't give a damn what you feel. That is the truth. Then, for more Munching, Munching say, I don't be there and yet to come and confront a woman, and Kotokondia, you need it's rather unfortunate that a cop make a case between hopeful. Then I say, and go to the stadium, Yanyomoshi, and go for Buropi, Yanyomoshi, and go for Lanza, and go for players. You pay Pinipa, Yanyomoshi. Master, we are heading to a very dangerous place. If Ketokoku is not dismissed today, and your track, Yampumo Munfionka, Munkotandia investigation, said the Ekusian, the Chekopa, Dr. Muabayo, you have to be a proper investigation. And that is the truth that I'm telling you.
Obecrasa the Aka, ye, and small PPA, no. Ye league, you know, or suspect, and your match, we ain't going to be quite face game bass or a think about league in the interim. nanka yanka so bia kra je nanka enya proper investigations na me
president matter no be the kind president the president of this country no say they should call it non avoid onu ko hu say ade na etan papa na wo ho president you could come football something and go football obu dis kanko obu bia e ka say bia o de mai why are you doing that we say I am non avoid so here me be square yeah me be na me square mente brofo no yi
na yese na nka hase for aju crew enke bende
masa you see yesu so me yesu Jesus
Martin na me hu ne da me nim no
thank you so at the thing
Martin din
yesu owu Israel na utikuma uti akra u bi sepa de tebia u bi de Roman stop Jesus imi ya chi no bi de Roman stop yes let's see gini gira no and non avoid so say has for the court what is wrong with you ali uma kokra bu ano nyina yisi na kokra
oh kafra aja wakwa kokro moti ayentimi nsa homo pontija onana nam ya transna sase mechi ya adwen so a yes yankobo na face prum na aja akora emfa de nyansa me bo ayenti ne aba hoyi
so can you be you welcome when you say mama to I'll talk the piano I'm so the truth into premier who say papa cocaine I'm kind of pray I am for total justice I don't hate anybody I'm telling you the truth you bunipo or park you bwana you do office you bwana you see akoya in fact ejection na you bwa you need sponsors me bwana you better me bwana boy you the mucho mo kasino the month me bwana the quest the makaslo take it or leave it do you understand what I'm saying it's as simple as that football
katakra kuba na amount for food so papa ya oba idie ankaja obeboa ma enoma atoto yie ama o start campaign me kwa bring back the love officer along the line e dey na esabebo mu afede ajagu kura yi
maza me can say it's on record e bia mu take no ho ye ben me ka say Dr. Moa say benya dia ka obi a wo ka kwesi anti administration mu bia no yen score fine what I say na in ambassador wo mi ya kete ko no ka kwesi anti o wa di pebia ko ba ma o mu what are we talking about o wa di pebia to ko ma o mu o so about bringing that love the one say bring back love the one say could see at the quite fast so you did fast so polish the money love so bring back what love are you talking about talk is cheap
hey na what say
but
okay me tell differently Matthias pa also talk is cheap
yes obi at me ka tembia so mo ba we man trust my first one year medium wa haje de obi dia be kire me ni pokro dia be kire me na no dwene wo say say wo na wo kan so bi ya dia wo mko to ka bro fracket here bofu akese wo mko kan no ho say sponsorship is mine oh you be sponsorship oh you be say ni e be say wo buy na dia wa ye back one e good for on one say what try to no chap play man ho let's have football people man no ding the football people no what no man go vote man to on paper no say whether you know it or not he is the highest paid individual in this country for the president ono na mo it is no way
chefem na mutie
o so ko football for the professional with no put the ko jira ho no ko itina no power ko india wada no asori no onye say wo say wo ojoro wo yire wo mawfie ebiku na ma mi no on show no man 200 Ghana a month 300 Ghana a month are you not ashamed
now 1 minute bi so cha na mu
but just say
me say na 1 minute bi so cha na mu
ai Ebi wa be 2 months eyi nti omuka. Na wo ti wo se me ko to. No afa car. A convoy. For a 4-wheel drive to petrol boom, the dear boom, Uka hotel yetia, what you pay them. Who buy us many supporters Kokasai. No, yeah, then. Supporters, you know, Kokasai, yeah, then. Yes, to come and now say, Uber catcher, say, what the people believe away. Then I say, there's only so can we mean believe because we don't need to say, coach never catch your say. We hear assistant. Na we hear broni the coach class and to talk to the niapa masa as me class and football
chef na mutie
nana awie me had akran how dia wa kan ya na kra no eye se do wa so no ontie de honhom ne ka kira asafo no enti no awie be da ase be me very sure say legacy amuja ye no se na mu se be ye se ya enka ball no kwan kama fa mu ho anyim
sanity. Na presume na munu se be ya ka first year so na some of first year kuno ka mo support you. Na mo member league na go for the league no the league match you are building a house and the foundation is very weak. Who see dying the foundation no e weak. Who see about something me the fence me the 5 inches block me the foundation e be bu. So you 6 inches. Who is covered to 6 inches that or so okay. Near Molly, the place in the sofa, the place the comedy almost yes, the place what you come have a key was the judge to so for the 1 year. He didn't say anything. Your friend say Olympics or Kobe Forman. Nobody said anything. That's a very shame. The Ghana, Ghana, you are nothing but a traitor to your race. On that note, have a nice day.
Thanks so much for talking to Ash FM.
All right, bye-bye.
Nana first.